All right, lab 17. It's actually easy to explain. I put a write-up because y'all are all used to that. But it is literally fix this sort stl-post CPP file, make it work and behave and output what it's supposed to by updating the code correctly. Okay?
That is the shortest lab
Description.
Yeah.
That's because I'm handing you a bunch of code. You fix it.
Okay.
Legacy code.
Yeah, it's like legacy code. It's completely broken. In fact, it's epically broken.
So
Oh.
no compile.
Oh, no, it compiles
Oh.
and then immediately seg faults.
Awesome.
Right. So there we go.
All right.
Try and compile the code. It will seg fault.
Okay.
Yay.
Immediate.
Immediately seg faults. All right, let me go and at least open this up for you real quick.
That'd be the first thing.
Watch it be like one tiny thing wrong.
Well,
Yeah, like he forgot. Like
it's like there's actually a lot of stuff. The to-dos are in here. I have a student class to represent a student, so they have an SID, a name, student ID, name, and data, just some random data values, just to make the student to be a large data object, just to show you why you need to do things a certain way. You can get the ID, you can set the ID, you can print it, you can fall asleep. Wait, no, fall asleep. Okay.
Fall asleep, wake up.
But do pay attention to these comments. Your code must never call the set name method and never call the set ID method. So in main, we have backup, array with data to sort, and a bunch of names. Start at 10. Look, we have a vector. To do, use insert out of the vector class to get the integers from backup copied into vec. Should be done in one specific insert call, but make a loop if you have to.
So backup is the name of the array.
Yeah.
Okay.
So one command right here, and then it should print it out nice and happily.
Should.
Now go ahead and sort it.
I'm sorry.
Hopefully y'all can do sort. Just gonna throw that out there. I create the S array, I initialize it with the names, and then I say what the unsorted students are. I don't know why I call them studs here. Go ahead and sort the student array. Don't call set name or anything. Figure out how to get the sort working on a student.
Isn't there a sort function?
Huh?
Said, isn't there a sort function?
Yes, but C++ doesn't know the order, so you got to figure that out. I'm going to reset these students afterwards. So we discussed in class that sorting students directly can be expensive if they were big. Why is that the case?
it's in the parentheses. Due to the time to swap large data structures.
Right. So if the student is huge, it takes a long time to swap from one to another. The solution is to use pointers instead. Everyone should say pointers. Yay!
Yay. Yay pointers.
Sleepy. Yay.
So declare an array of pointers to students. Call it the PS array. Initialize it so the elements point to the contents of the S array. Use the STL to sort the students array. You will need a new predicate.
AK, that's your function or your function that you're using to sort.
Then this down here should print out the students from the PS array and correctly sorted up, so you have to uncomment that. Now figure out how to sort the S array based on the results of the PS array. Hold on. Now figure out how to sort the regular S array based on the results of the sorting the PS array. And notice that this is printing the S array. After sorting the PS array, you need to use that info to sort the S array in O of n time.
What?
That was confusing.
Basically, you sort it using the pointer array. Now you have the pointers to the list of the elements it's supposed to be in. Now create your original array to be the correct sorted length. But this step should be O of n time because you have the sorted list of students.
So copy pasta. Erase.
Yes. Carefully.
So you copy the sorted array that you have back into the original.
But remember, you're having pointers, so it's not quite that simple. Let's see. What's the last thing? Create another array of pointers to students that again point to the students in the SArray named array PSArray in, then sort just the pointers in descending order. Oh, okay. Now I just want you to sort them in descending afterwards. Any questions? No questions? Well, this is your lab. That's all you got to do today. Today.
I'm gonna go back and fix it.
Have a good day. Have a good weekend.
That was good.